Do you know many people are having trouble with controlling volume from the steering wheel? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check mode settings. Check if your system is set to factory or aftermarket mode, as this could affect volume control functionalities. Step 2. Program buttons. Program the steering wheel buttons by following a sequence to assign functions to each button, especially for volume. Step 3. Verify connections. Ensure all wiring connections, particularly to the steering wheel controls, are correctly installed for full functionality. Step 4. Test controls. Test your steering wheel controls to confirm all functions, including volume, are working as expected. Step 5. Reprogram if needed. If volume control fails again, repeat the programming or switch modes by engaging the programming button and test the controls. After these steps, your steering wheel controls should manage the volume correctly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other PAC users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.